Here's a great deal on a 2018 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.